What happens when you die?
Have you ever wondered what really happens when you die? What happens inside your body in those final moments? In this video, you will discover the shocking truth about death, step by step.
Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you die? Death is something every human will face, but what actually happens in those final moments is both fascinating and terrifying. The process of dying does not happen instantly. It is a gradual shutdown of the entire body, step by step. In the beginning, everything starts with the brain. When your body realizes that it is no longer receiving enough oxygen, your brain enters survival mode. Within seconds, your thoughts begin to slow down, your vision may blur, and your hearing becomes distant. Some people report seeing flashes of light or reliving memories from their life. Scientists believe this may be caused by a sudden surge of electrical activity in the brain. After about 10 seconds without oxygen, you lose consciousness. At this point, you are no longer aware of what is happening around you, but inside your body, everything is still happening. Your heart continues to beat for a short time, trying to pump blood through your body. However, without oxygen, your cells begin to die. Your brain is the most sensitive organ, and after about 3 to 5 minutes, brain cells start to suffer irreversible damage. This means that even if your heart starts again, your brain may never fully recover. Meanwhile, your body begins to shut down other systems. Your breathing becomes irregular, slower, and weaker. This is known as agonal breathing, and it is one of the final signs before death. Your body temperature begins to drop, and your skin may turn pale or slightly blue. Your organs are now failing. Your kidneys stop filtering toxins, your liver can no longer process chemicals, and your digestive system completely shuts down. Inside your body, a silent collapse is happening. After your heart finally stops beating, blood is no longer circulating. Without blood flow, oxygen cannot reach any part of your body, and cells begin to die rapidly. Within minutes, your body enters a state called clinical death. But even after death, your body is not completely still. Strange things begin to happen. Your muscles may twitch or move slightly due to remaining electrical signals, and your body may release air from your lungs, creating sounds that can feel unsettling. Then after a few hours, something else happens. Rigor mortis begins. This is when your muscles start to stiffen because your cells no longer have energy and your body becomes rigid, frozen in place. At the same time, gravity causes blood to settle in the lower parts of your body, creating dark purple marks on the skin. This process is called livor mortis. As time passes, your body continues to change. Without oxygen and circulation, bacteria inside your body begin to break things down. This is the beginning of decomposition, and your body slowly returns to the elements it came from. But here is something even more surprising. Some scientists believe that your brain may remain active for a short time after death. This means that in those final moments you may still experience something. We do not fully understand what that experience is. It could be darkness, peace, or something else entirely. No one truly knows. But the story does not end here. In the first few hours after death, your body begins to cool down. This process is called algor mortis, where your temperature slowly drops until it matches the surrounding environment. Your skin loses its natural color and becomes pale. As oxygen disappears completely, every cell in your body begins to break apart. Your immune system is no longer active, and bacteria that were once controlled are now free to spread. These bacteria begin to consume tissues from the inside, producing gases that can cause the body to expand slightly. Inside your brain, activity completely stops.
Neurons that once carried thoughts, emotions, and memories begin to die, and everything that made you who you are slowly disappears. But before total shutdown, some studies suggest there may be a final burst of brain activity, a last signal, a final moment. Some researchers believe this could explain near-death experiences. People who survive clinical death sometimes report floating above their body, seeing a bright light, or feeling a deep sense of peace. Science has not fully explained this yet, and it remains one of the greatest mysteries of human existence. As time continues, the body enters advanced stages of decomposition. Tissues soften, structures break down, and eventually the body returns to nature. This is part of the natural cycle of life. Everything that lives eventually returns to the earth. But beyond the physical process, death also carries a deeper meaning. It reminds us that time is limited, that every moment matters, and that the small things in life are not so small after all. Every laugh, every breath, every second is something we often take for granted until one day it is gone. And that is why understanding death is not just about fear, it is about awareness. It is about appreciating life while we still have it. Because in the end, your body will stop, your heart will beat for the last time, your brain will go silent, and everything you know will fade away. But until that moment comes, you are alive. So live. Take care of your body, take care of your health, drink water, sleep well, move your body, and do not ignore the signals your body gives you, because your body is always fighting to keep you alive and it deserves to be protected. And remember, life is not guaranteed. Every day is a gift, so do not waste it. If you want to discover more shocking and fascinating science facts, subscribe now and be ready for the next video.
One day we will all face death. It's something no one can escape. But until that moment comes, we still have time to learn, to live, and to take care of ourselves. If you don't want to miss more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And by subscribing, you are also supporting the channel. Thank you.